Hello students, now we are taking here some questions related to the human eye and its defects of vision. One is the first question is what is meant by the power of accommodation of eye? So its answer is the ability of the eye to adjust its focal length with the help of ciliary muscles is known as the power of accommodation. It means when the ciliary muscles adjust the focal length of the eye so that person is able to see the nearby object as well as distant objects with same clarity. Okay. Next question is a person with a myopic eye cannot see object beyond 1.2 meter distinctly. So what should be the type of corrective lens used to restore proper vision? So here there is a limited vision, and for that the person is not able to see beyond 1.2 meter distinctly. So it means he is suffering from myopia. Now how can this myopia be corrected? So just you see with the help of this solution. So far point of the defective eye is given, myopic eye is 1 minus 1.2 meter. Now the far point of a normal eye is infinity. So by lens form, let the focal length be f, that is used, the lens which is used. So by lens formula 1 by f is equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Now substitute the value of v and u. V is as 1 by minus 1.2 and u is up to infinity. So 1 by infinity is equals to 0, therefore 1 by f is equals to 1 by minus 1.2. Now the power of lens will be 1 by f, it is already given in meter. So 1 by f is equals to 1 by minus 1.2, and this value comes after solving minus 0.83 diopter. So the concave lens of 0.83 diopter lens is used for the correction of this myopia. Next question is question number 3. What is the far point and near point of the human eye with a normal vision? So my dear students, far point is infinity and near point for a normal vision is 25 centimeter. Now take another question. A student has difficulty reading the blackboard while sitting in the last bench. What should be the defect the child is suffering from? How can it be corrected? So this is the limited vision, and there is this defect of vision is known as the myopia. So if the child is seated to the front seat, then he has ability to see, but from the last bench he cannot see. So he is suffering from myopia, and this can be corrected by using a concave lens of the suitable focal length as prescribed by the optician.